Splicing electric in attic properly. I am installing ceiling lights on my attic that has only fiberglass insulation. I needed to splice some cables halfway to the fixture box. I just want to verify that I've done so properly. Here is what I've done. I've spliced the cables with the plastic caps and encased the plastic in this box, which is a metallic fixture box. Then I secured the cables using the clamps in the box, secured the box to the joist and put a lid on the box. Is this okay? I know some say that one should use a junction box. But I had the fixture box with the lid handy. So I figured it doesn't make much of a difference. But I just want to make sure. Question from user Michael at Stack Exchange. Answer: that qualifies as a junction box. Provide you did everything else correct, affixed the box to something, a rafter, stud, etc. Connected the box itself to the ground wire inside, covered any previously knocked out knockouts, etc. Then you're fine. Answer from user Longneck at Stack Exchange.